Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Yodlee Aggregation API Review My Usage Experience. Yodlee Aggregation API Review My Usage Experience offers a comprehensive API for aggregating financial data from various sources. It's primarily aimed at developers and businesses building financial applications or services that need access to a user's aggregated financial data, allowing them to build features like financial dashboards, budgeting tools, or credit scoring models. Key features include secure data aggregation from multiple bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts. Their website provides details on specific data points and functionalities available through the API. Their website details the various pricing plans and features available. They emphasize robust security measures to protect user data. Ease of use is highlighted as a key selling point through comprehensive documentation and readily available support. The technology behind the API utilizes a secure, scalable architecture, ensuring reliable access to financial information. Availability is dependent on the financial institution supported, which is detailed on their site. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Yodlee Aggregation API Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was fairly straightforward. The documentation was thorough, although it did take some time to fully grasp the nuances of authentication and data retrieval. Navigating the API itself was a bit of a learning curve initially, but once I understood the structure, it became quite efficient. I was able to successfully retrieve transaction history, account balances, and other relevant financial data from multiple accounts I connected. The performance was generally excellent, requests were processed quickly, and the data was consistently accurate. I had a quick question about handling certain error codes and their support team responded within 24 hours via email, a very helpful response. I was really impressed by the breadth of financial institutions supported. One minor drawback was the initial complexity of the authentication process, but this improved with experience. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Yodlee's Aggregation API. It's a powerful tool, though the initial learning curve should be considered. It definitely met my needs and enabled me to quickly build the core features of my financial app. That's my overview of Yodlee Aggregation API Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.